Welcome to Norton Children's Medical Associates Preston. I'm Dr. Julie Newsom, I'm one of the doctors here. And please join me while I walk you through one of our typical newbie nights at our office. One night every month we offer a night for expecting parents and parents new to the area, or anyone who wants to come and check out our office to see what our office is like, so you know what to expect on your first day here. So this is our well waiting room. When you guys get off the elevator, you'll notice that we have a well waiting room door first, and further down the hallway we have a sick waiting room to keep those areas separate. When you first come in, you'll be able to check in with our receptionist here at the desk. There's at least one a day, usually 2 or 3 of us here to help check you guys in. So this will be your first stop when you come to the visit. So the next part of your visit, the nurses will come in and triage you. So you guys can follow me into our triage room. This is where we'll take the blood pressure and their heart rate, measure how much they weigh on the table and see how long the babies are, or measure how tall they are here on our measuring stick. And they'll get all the information in here and be able to plug it into the computer so the doctor has that when we come in to see you. After the nurse takes the vitals, then we'll bring you into a patient room. This is what one of our patient rooms looks like. Some of them have these cute little tables, some just a normal exam table. And then sometimes we also do things like checking hearing and checking the vision. That's mainly what we use this room for. So as your kid gets a little bit older, we check vision with our new vision thing, or hearing with the machine over here. And then you hang out in your room and wait for one of us to come in and see you. So if you're here for a newborn visit, we usually walk through how the pregnancy went, how delivery was, and ask you how baby's eating and drinking and sleeping and peeing and pooping. And we generally talk about those things at all the visits up until your kid is older. We also like to ask about developmental things. So those are some of the things that you can expect the doctor or nurse practitioner to ask you about while you guys are here. Other questions that we commonly get is if there's someone else for you to talk to, if one of the nurse practitioners or doctors is out of the office. There's 3 providers that we have, and we also have nurses and medical assistants that you guys can ask questions to, and they can get a hold of the doctors if they need to. Other things that people ask about is if we have same-day appointments, which we do. We have certain spots in our schedules every day to make sure that we have same-day appointments. Sometimes those do fill up, but thankfully we have an immediate care center that sees children right down the street from us, or really in the same building, so that's available to you too here. But we always do our best to fit our patients into our schedules if possible. But that's mainly what we do here at Norton Children's Medical Associates Preston. Thanks so much for stopping by and seeing our office. We'd love to have you here. We do have offices all over Louisville and Southern Indiana, so if you ever need us, stop by and see us. Thank you.